Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing another cream bronzer review. So Liz came out with some new cream bronzers and I am so excited to try it. Let me show you guys how the packaging looks like. It's very cute, and on top of it says the shade. I got Strength because I already do have Strength in the powder bronzer, so I decided to just get the same. And it retails for $19, and this is how the packaging looks like. I just opened it, so I haven't seen how the packaging looks like. It's very pretty, same as their cream bronzer, powder bronzer, same type of finishing somewhat. Well, it's the same type of finishing excuse me, as the blush. It's like the same type of finishing somewhat as the blush, and this is the powder bronzer. I really do like LYS Beauty. They're very affordable, especially to be in Sephora, and they are a clean brand. So all the products I've had from them, I've enjoyed everything. There's nothing that I'm like I shouldn't have bought. Now I only have their setting powder. I have one of their setting powder. I have the blush and the bronzer. Yeah, so this is the setting powder. This is the matte bronzer, and this is the cream to satin blush. And now I have the cream bronzer. I do have the darker shade in the setting powder as well. I had got that from BoxyCharm, and it was so deep that I just went on Sephora and purchased the shade before it, which is Strength. And then I believe I have 4 or 5 of their cream to satin to matte. I think it's satin to matte blush. I think that's the name. Yeah, satin to matte cream blush. I think I have 4 or 5 because the shades are so pretty, and the fact that they like a satin matte type of finish on my oily skin, I really like it. I don't have their, I think they have like a serum primer situation and a foundation. I don't have that or anything like that, but the items I do have from them I really enjoy. So I wanted to try the cream bronzer. I'm on Sephora right now. I'm about to give you guys a little something about what they say about the product. So it says it's a clean, talc-free, buildable cream bronzer that visibly sculpts, defines, and livens up the complexion with a silky smooth blendable formula. Basically, this is supposed to be like a bronzer contour in one. I don't usually contour on my face. I just like the way my face is shaped, so I really don't mind doing that. I really don't really care to do that, honestly. It's like an extra work that I don't feel like doing. I prefer to bronze because I like the warmth bronzers bring to my skin instead of contouring, which brings shadows to my face. So I'm about to play with this. I cannot wait to try this just to see how I like it. Again, as I mentioned, it retails for $19. Natural finish, it's clean, it's vegan. So yeah, and again, I got the shade Strength. So this is how it looks like, and let's see how much products we get. So you get a decent amount of product. I think that's it. You get a decent amount of product. I don't want it to break, so okay. Now I'm not going to like take this and just, you know, put it on my face. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild brush, and then I'm just gonna apply it. Let me do a little swatch just in case someone want to see how the shade looks like. It's very creamy. So this is how it looks. It's very creamy. Okay, let me see. Okay, I can't wait. Like, I'm so glad like these companies are coming out with all these bronzers. Now I do prefer powder bronzer because I do have, you know, oily skin, but certain brands I don't mind trying their cream bronzers. Okay, it looks really pigmented on the brush, so let's see. Okay, so okay, it's definitely pigmented. I'm gonna put just a little bit more. So this is how this side of my face is looking like, and this is this side without any. Yeah, I definitely see it. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so this is how my face is looking like with the cream bronzer. It looks nice, and it's not looking super creamy, oily on my face or anything like that, which I like. I feel as if like I could go out like this without even setting the bronzer, but I am going to set it. Only thing I have on my face right now is just foundation and concealer, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my whole face up so you guys can see the finished product. Okay, you guys, so I am done with my face. So with this cream bronzer here, when I was finishing up my face, I kept looking at it, and I definitely see what they mean by visibly sculpts and defines. When I was putting everything else on my face, I kept looking at it. I could definitely see the sculpting and the definition that they are referring to. Again, I do think this is like a 2-in-1 bronzer and contour type of product. So if you're somebody that do both, this is perfect for you. Me, again, I prefer to just bronze my my face. I don't really do the contour or anything like that. But I mean, a 2-in-1 product, okay, it's fine. It's not giving me what NARS was giving me. NARS was giving me, I just came from the beach, I just came from an island, give me that, you know, beautiful warmth glow, which I love. But this is not bad either. Now, I don't know if the shade above this would have given me that warmth that I'm looking for. I don't know. The store near me, they have like this little small section for Liz, and I don't even think they're gonna get this. So I don't know if I'm gonna order the other shade. I might not. I might just stick with this and then just play with it, but we'll see. I did put the top on, and it already got like some of the product over here. Let me see. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Let me see if it's gonna focus. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see. It already has the product like right here, and also inside of the cap as well. So I feel as if this is gonna be something that's gonna get very messy, and I don't like, me, just a personal thing, I don't really like my makeup looking messy. It's just a personal preference. But anywho, let me know what you think about this product. Let me know if you are interested in purchasing it. Let me know if you already got it, because as soon as I got that little notification from Sephora that they came out with it, I placed it in cart. Okay, so let me know if you are interested. Again, I do like it. It's definitely affordable. It's just that I love that warmth, and it's nice, but it's not giving me that warmth that NARS was giving me. But I definitely would recommend to try it out if you are interested. But again, if you're like me, you like that warmth, just keep that in mind. To me, on my skin, I don't think it's giving me warmth, but it might be giving you warmth. Oh, and just in case anyone is curious, I have like, I did set it with the powder version, which is strength which is strength right here. I did set it with that, and then I do have one of their setting powder, Ambition. I went with that, and then I went with the cream blush, Confident. And then on my lips, I do have my Merit, I think this one is Slip, on my lip. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I have on my face. Again, you guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching another one. You guys know I definitely appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye.